Mom, this is the perfect shovel.
For finding buried treasure?
Yep. Parents always use my shovel. That is my shovel. Ew. Boop, boop, boop. That is it. That is it. That is it. I'm going to show you something.
Where are you going?
Showing you something.
Okay.
It's out here though.
Okay.
Stay out here and take it to me.
Actually, I'm taking a movie.
What?
I'm taking a movie.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, can I see it?
I can show it to you later on the computer.
I want to see it.
I can't show you right now.
Why?
Because there's a camera, silly.
Mommy, let me see the video. Let me see the show. Let me see the show. Please.
See,
Please.
I can't show you yet.
Please.
I really can't, because then I can't tape you anymore. Can you sing a song for me?
No.
Come
No,
on.
no, 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 no.
Come on.
No.
What about your ABCs?
Okay, I'll do part of it.
Part of it?
Yeah.
Alright, fine.
That's half of it.
Half of it?
Yep.
Alright.
That means a little bit of part of it.
Whatever.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. That's half of it. I already did half of it. Can't get me now. Cause I'm flying down. I'm afraid to do this again. But I will do it. In different ways. That was on that branch. I was on that branch. Is that cool?
Ain't it?
It's cool, the picture.